Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper first of BA part first. Foundations of Political Science. I welcome you all, and in this video we will discuss about traditional approach of political science. As we all know, there are two basic approaches to the study of political science. First one is traditional, second one is modern. So the traditional approach to political science was widely prevalent till the outbreak of the Second World War, and this approach was mainly related to the traditional view of politics, which emphasized the study of the state and government. Therefore, traditional approach is mainly concerned with the study of the organization and activities of the state and principles and the ideas. It can be defined as the structural uh, part of our discipline, and these approaches are normative and idealistic, and this approach focus yeah, the focus of this approach is on what should be done in future. It is not related to the present scenario or present circumstances. It doesn't care anything about that what is going on at present. It just only focus on future, what should be done in future. Either it is possible or not possible, but the focus of traditional approach is uh, it this approach emphasizes on the future. So the characteristics of traditional approach are: first one is this is normative approach, and normative as well as normative approach. This is not empirical, and second one is the focus of this approach is on the study of different political structures. Here you can see that I have crossed the theory and research, because it does not uh, it this approach is not interested in theory and research or in the development of our discipline. And next one is according to this approach, the study of political science can never be uh, scientific. And there are four sub approaches of traditional approach of political science. First one is philosophical approach, second one is historical, third one is institutional, fourth one is legal. And the main thing about all these approaches is that these all are traditional approaches and they adopt a normative approach. These approaches are old approaches to the study of political science, and as we have studied earlier that the focus of all these approaches is on present, on future, not on present. So these are the approaches to the political science. And philosophical part, we can see the whole philosophy, and regarding not we are not talking about as a discipline philosophy, that is philosophy. Here comes the philosophical part of our political structure and state and government, and the thinkers who support this approach mainly consider with the ideas that should be implemented in future. Historical approach, we can see that what has been done, and it talks about past, and the past, the incidents that took place, and what were the outcomes of those incidents. And institutional, as state, government, law, and whatever the political structures are there, the institutional approach study them. And legal aspect of legal aspect of our structure and the constitution, and what are the norms, and what are the laws are there. So we can find here four approaches to the traditional approach of political science, and we can see that we have divided our discipline in two parts. First one was traditional, second one was modern. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.